administrator, you have a couple more options. If you click on administration, you'll now see a new link called course administration. You are officially the manager of all courses for your specific campus. So to manage, you're going to go to course administration. And then you're going to notice you have a new screen. So here you can search for any courses inside of your office. So any professional learning or meeting or anything that you are creating inside of your campus's office, you can now search for. If you look on the left, you'll see that you now have managed learning opportunities. This is a link that will take you to a list of any professional learning that is going on or has been proposed to your campus. There are now 17 campus offices and then the Coppell ISD Professional Learning Office. So the Coppell ISD Professional Learning Office will work the same way. Any professional learning that is for the whole district or for parts of the district or are being led by people in central office or around the district that isn't campus specific will still go through the Coppell ISD Professional Learning Library. Your specific office are for professional learnings and meetings that are going on your campus. So you can manage all of those learning opportunities here. You can now also create a new learning opportunity without having to go to the Propose a Course button. This Propose a Course button will walk you through the whole course wizard, which means it has to go through the through the approval process. So someone's going to have to approve it and you're going to have to review it, and it takes a lot longer. But now that you're an office administrator, you can create a new learning opportunity straight from here. So if you just click on Create New Learning Opportunity, it's going to give you two options, instructor-led and self-paced. Instructor-led is anything facilitated by a person. So if it is a meeting or professional learning that's in person, or even a professional learning that is on a webinar but that is led by somebody, there's a start time, there's an end time, and it's going to happen at a certain time. Self-paced learning opportunity is more like a book study or information that you want them to go through like in a compliance course type way and you want them to get credit, but they don't have to do it at 8 o'clock on today and finish by a certain date and have everybody doing it at the same time. If you want it self-paced, you would choose the self-paced learning opportunity. So then once you click on instructor-led, everything else will be the same as before. Okay, so now you'll just put the course title in and the description, but now you'll see that there are locations. I am impersonating Laura Springer right now, so the only location department that I can do this type of thing with is Coppell High School. Now, if I'm putting something in for professional learning library, I would go to propose a course because I'm a course requester for the whole district, but I'm an office administrator for my campus. So that's the difference there. Then I would fill out all of the information and I would click Create Instructor-Led Course. Now it's ready to add sections to it and classes and all the things that you would need to do, but it does not need to be approved because you're the one creating it. You can also manage learner jobs, but the piece that I want to show you too is offices. So because you have an office now, which is basically like your campus, I know it's a weird word, but basically consider offices campuses. So here's Coppell High School. I click the drop-down menu, and then you can't see it, but if you scroll, you're going to get to this little option, and if you choose Manage, this gives you the opportunity to manage the two different roles that you have within your campus. So you're the office administrator. Your assistant principals are all final approvers, and then they have the ability to propose a course for the campus. Okay. So now you'll see that you have three options: assign roles, remove roles, and then create link to a course list. We're going to focus in on the assign roles. If you click on assign roles, now you have the option to add some roles. So you can add people to be final approvers of specific courses, or you can add people as course requesters. So now every teacher in the district, every staff member actually, is already a course requester for the Coppell ISD Professional Learning Office. but you have to add people as course requesters in order for them to be able to propose a course for your specific campus. So again, they'll already have this button because they can propose a course for the district, but in order for them to propose for your campus, you have to add them to this list. So in order to do that, you just click on Add User, and then you'll be searching your campus list. So I'm just gonna search Emily, and then I just choose, and I click Add, and then when I click Done, she will be added to this list. There she is, as a course requester. If by chance, once you click Done, you'll get back to the next list. If by chance you realize, oh, I actually don't want Emily to be able to propose courses for Coppell High School, not quite yet, I'm not ready for that, I can go in and follow the same process and remove that role here. And it's basically the same process. You go in, you click beside Emily's name, and you click the word remove. So that should get you started. If you have any questions, please go ahead and email Brooke and I, and we will help you out and get everything situated for your campus office.